Okay, good morning everyone. I hope everyone is energized today. And this is the time we want to actually invite 9 of your audience inside here to join us on stage to energize yourself before we get the conference started. Should we get 9 volunteers please to come on board, come on stage? Come on, come on. Come on, we need more. We have 2 brave volunteers here. We need 9. Pick someone, choose your drum. Okay, I love volunteers, right? And I think for the volunteers, they have absolutely no idea what's going to happen yet. But have you got all 9? Let's see. I think we need a few more, right? Okay, we need 2 more volunteers. You know, it's a nice workout early in the morning. Come on. Pick your stand, okay. All right. So okay, so what's going to happen, right? I think we have one more. Come over here. Okay. So the volunteers, okay, you can take the left side of the drums, okay? Our drummers is going to take the right side. So what's going to happen, right? It's very simple, okay? Remember the very last part where we were doing the very fast beat of it? You still remember? Very, very fast, okay? So all you need to do, we had to do it very, very fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. 1 more set. So total of 2 sets times 8 times. All right, and after that, we will do the V-shape ha as a victory, okay, to complete that, okay? But before we start, okay, you will take my command. So whenever I say, when I do the first set, which is, you will get your drumsticks in place to your chest level, okay? So I'm going to pass you, make sure everyone has a drumstick. Oh, thank you. There you go. All right, Lucas, come. There you go. Okay. Okay. So we come to here. Okay. All right. So each of you is going to take one side of it. I just want to make sure that we are all good in place. Okay. Let's get into position. Okay. So I'm not sure how ready everyone is, but when I repeat, okay. So when I give the instruction, everyone will get your chest position, okay, to get the 2 drumsticks, and then we're going to beat. Okay. So how fast are we beating? Right. It's about 200 beats per second. Per minute, sorry, not per second, okay? All right, too early in the morning, okay? 200 per second, I think we're all going to fly to the moon, right? Okay, so that's what we need to do. So first we get ready, we start drumming, we do 2 sets of 8. After that, we'll complete with a V shape, and we are done, okay? Are we ready? All right. I guess we feel terribly. Shall we do it one more time? Do we have time for that? Yes? Okay, one more time. 8 counts. Okay, one more time. Okay, everyone's panting, okay? One more time, okay? But you get the idea. Make sure you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you count 8 times of 8, and then followed by another set of 8. And then we ha. Internal counting, all right? Okay? Let's get ready. All right, thank you everyone. Okay, do you want a group photo together before we head downstage? Shall we?
Belongs to me and you. applause, a big round of applause for the Oriental Drums, or what we call the World Harmony Drums. And they symbolize unity, strength, and positive energy, which we are going to need for the ride to the next 20. What an inspiring performance by differently disabled performers with physical disabilities and visual impairments, and they pour their hearts into every beat. These performers, Joanne, who came and worked with WiT last year, these remarkable performers are from Ludus Lab, which is a Singapore travel startup dedicating to powering inclusive adventures, and the team behind Singapore's first and only inclusive tour led by persons with disabilities at the Enabling Village. So thank you, Yok Song, and his team. Thank you, Yok Song.